I sure enough feel good.
Say hey. Alright, it's working.
Let's get the bones off your nerves.
Oh.
Good? Keep calm inside your sneezes. Some 2 normal pulses. I like this new hairstyle. Justin, you know your hair is anyway. Get all that free movement I got. Good job. That was tough. Huh? Beans. Is that this leg? Good. What's the other one? Good. This one harder? You okay? So bad. You're good with that? Once again. There you go. What's that one? Feel better? That's it for you.
Thanks,
Victory!
Joe.